Ever found yourself staring at a bill, a sudden expense, or just an empty fridge, and thought, if only I could just borrow a little bit until payday? We've all been there. And if you've stumbled across Beforepay, that thought probably morphed into, can I use Beforepay when I literally have $0? That's the question we're tackling today, because let's be real, if you had money, you probably wouldn't be looking into short-term cash advances. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what Beforepay actually is. It's essentially a wage advance app. It lets you access a portion of your upcoming salary before your actual payday. Sounds great, right? Especially when you're looking at that big, fat zero in your bank account. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Beforepay, like most financial services, has criteria. They need to assess your ability to repay the advance. This means they look at your income, spending habits, and your overall financial health. Think of it like this: they're not just throwing money at you, they're lending you a portion of your future earnings. So, can you use Beforepay with absolutely no money? The short answer is, it's complicated. Having a zero balance doesn't automatically disqualify you, but it certainly makes things more challenging. Beforepay needs to see consistent income coming into your account. They need to see that you're regularly receiving your salary. A history of consistent deposits is crucial. Furthermore, they'll analyze your spending. If your account shows frequent overdrafts or a pattern of overspending, it raises red flags. They need to be reasonably sure that you'll be able to repay the advance on time. A zero balance combined with a history of financial instability isn't exactly a green light. However, there's a glimmer of hope. If you've just started a new job and haven't received your first paycheck yet, you might still be eligible. Beforepay may consider your employment history and the stability of your new job. They might also look at other factors like your credit history, although they don't rely solely on it. Essentially, it's not just about the current balance. It's about demonstrating a pattern of responsible financial behavior. If you can show that you're consistently earning and managing your finances, even if you're currently experiencing a temporary cash crunch, you have a better chance. Think of it as showing them your potential, not just your current situation. If you've recently had a large, unexpected expense, and your account is temporarily depleted, providing documentation of that might help. Beforepay might see that as a one-off event rather than a chronic issue. Ultimately, the best way to know for sure is to apply. The app will guide you through the process and assess your eligibility. Don't be discouraged if you're initially declined. You can always work on improving your financial habits and reapply later. Remember, Beforepay isn't a magic bullet. It's a tool to help you manage short-term cash flow issues. It's crucial to use it responsibly and ensure you can repay the advance on time. Don't treat it as free money, but as an advance on what you have already earned. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.